Good morning, everybody. Hey, I'm looking at Chapter 9, Lesson 4. So if you want to open up your books to Chapter 9, Lesson 4, as I was reviewing this lesson, I was a little concerned because we don't have the materials, or you don't have the materials at home to do this. So I'm going to just page ahead, but if you can just open up to the book to this page. And if you need to pause the video to do that, go ahead. As you can see on the Build It page, they're using the fraction tiles. I know that all of our fraction tiles are at school. So for this particular assignment, it's going to be optional. If you decide that you want to try this and by visualizing the fraction tiles, that's fine, or making up your own fraction tiles, you can do that. You can go on Google and research or search for fraction tiles, and you'd have to print them out and cut them out. I don't expect you to do that, but if you decide that you want to do that, by all means, go ahead. So as you work your way through this, you'll see that it's the same as what we were doing yesterday, except you'll notice that the denominators are not the same. So they are using the fraction tiles to get you ready for the process of changing these fractions into an equivalent fraction that has the same denominator. Now, we have done some of that work, but we're going to dive into it more as we get through the next math lessons. So I'm going to leave this up to you. I'm going to put up a couple slides so that you can see the answers here on the Build It section so that you can see where you're supposed to go with this. So if you want to write down these answers, that's fine. You can just pause the video, but I am going to flip through here fairly quickly because I know you can pause the video. And then you can just write down your answers. So if you want to try creating these, in this particular slide, they're showing you how you can turn thirds into 12s. And if you remember from our classroom, we had these tiles up on the classroom wall. And again, if you feel like you want to do these, by all means, all I expect for you to do is to read through Chapter 9, Lesson 4. I don't expect you to do this on your own. So here's a few examples. You can pause the video. Also, I wanted to let you know that I have added some other videos, Khan Academy, that are available on the bottom of Google Classroom at the end of this week. So you'll see them there if you decide you want to use them to look at for any of the lessons. They are by topic. And so that should be helpful for you. And hope you're being safe, and we'll get back with you soon.